Alright guys, 8 months ago we picked up this truck. You seen it as we got it running. Made sure everything was squared away with this 350 combo that just didn't look very impressive at first glance. But it's not smoking, it's not clattering. So we're going to go through it. We're going to make, just clean everything up. This truck is more just in a mock-up stage at the moment. To go any further forward with it, it's got to come back apart. We've got to pull the body off. While we're there, we're going to clean up a lot of the welds on the frame because they're not the greatest welds that people have probably ever seen. So let's blow this thing apart. I'll show you some of the concerns I have with it as I clean them up, fix a few things, and hopefully we can get this thing put back together here pretty quickly and get it on the road. Started taking it apart. What we figured out was the fenders were never off this thing. They were boxing this frame and welding everything in here with the fenders and running boards and all that stuff on. So you got this shock mount that's way lower than that shock mount. I told you guys these welds didn't look very good. We got a couple of them in here. The entire boxing plates, everything just, those are pretty. It's gonna take a little bit of fixing. Already discovered the rear end's a 1/2 inch off, in the realm of a 1/2 inch off. But we'll get it tore apart the rest of the way and fix things and get it where it needs to be.